Hey you guys, I wanted to come on here really quickly and just show you what everything looks like that I end up making. So of course these are the bags. Like I said, I purchased the Avengers Marvel bags from Amazon, and this is what they look like with all of the goodies in it. Here is the Play-Doh, the little mini Play-Dohs. These are the coloring books that I made. Well, you don't need to see both of them. They're the same. I did two different chip bags, as well as this is like little Pop Rock candy. Keyshawn's superhero candy. I think that's cute. It's on both sides, as well as the Starburst labels with his name on the back. And I also did the bubbles as well, and I did a t-shirt. So yeah, that's everything. I just want to show you guys really quickly how everything turned out. I think it looks super cute. Oh, and there's also like some other random candy down inside of the bags. But my daughter also ended up making like a bunch of the little loom bracelets, and each one is different. I thought that was really cute, and I put those down inside of the bags. So if you have any questions about anything that I did, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.